Good morning, everyone. I would like to quickly go over IONQ, this particular stock, what are their key levels are, what are the entry zones or entry pricing targets that I'm looking for to get into this particular one, and also what are my short-term and long-term pricing targets that I'm looking for to take some profits here. Let's quickly take a look at what it has been doing previously based on a price action history. On a daily, as you can see, price action did a top here and then it revisited this particular price level again and again and again. So that says that this particular level here, 47.79, it's somewhat one of the important key levels on this particular stock here, right? Price action has that was a top of this price action. It kept on rejecting it multiple times. You can see there was a price action was climbing over this wedge over here, then it started consolidating between these two levels here, which is the same 47.79 to almost 34.94, right? And then price action eventually squeezed out of this, made another high, did a double top here, which is a all-time high here, that is a 84.64. And then since then price action somewhat has been in a downtrend. It tried to hold the level, consolidate, but eventually it still lost that Fibonacci band here and headed back down all the way to one of the level, which is 29.58. And as you can see, it gapped up a little bit here, and then eventually price action has been filling that gap from last couple days here, still looking like it's in a downtrend, of course, but I think this is going to be an amazing opportunity to load up on this particular stock. If you look at the weekly, you can see it has a red dot and then it has been in a downtrend. But it is almost there where we will get some nice smart money flowing into this particular stock and we will see a green dot and price action turning into an uptrend here. Same thing on a monthly, as you can see, it has been in a profit taking phase. Price action last couple months has been a downtrend, so people are taking a profits. Also, smart money is somewhat flowing out of it, but it is coming into a place where a lot of money flow will start to flow into this particular stock. Let's quickly go back to our daily here. Price action currently is at 33.29. I don't think this is a bad idea to at least get your entry position here, but if price action is coming back down later to one of my mark level, which is 29.58, that will be my nice entry level here. That's where I'm looking to get into this particular stock. Even if it loses that level, I would expect it to, worst case scenario, I would expect it to come to 18.95. Of course, that doesn't sound great. Hopefully price action holds here, but in terms of my targets, I would like to I would like to aim for a short term inside targets, which is obviously price action should head back up here to one of my support band, which is 47.79. Then after that, price action should somewhat break out of this consolidating level band here, horizontal channel, which is again 55.38 will be a nice target also. I think 33 to $55 is amazing gains. And again, ultimately, I would like to see a price action doing another all-time high attempt all the way up here. As you can see, there is a 81.17. That is a very ambitious target, but it has crossed that before. So I would like to see price action somewhat doing another all-time high, and then ultimately I still want to see a $105.37 is what my ambitious target on this particular one. Amazing stock. Look to get in couple weeks here. It is coming into a beautiful buy zone very soon. If you would like to know key levels, pricing targets, entry zones, exit zones on any stocks, any tickers, feel free to follow this video series and also reach out with the ticker names or stock names where I can continue to make videos for you guys. Thank you.